Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make fish biryani. Let us see what ingredients we need. We need 12 pieces of Indian salmon, that is rawas, onions, tomato paste, chopped tomato, onion, ginger garlic paste, food color, oil and fried onion, red chili, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. We also need these ingredients for marinating the fish. Then we'll need coriander leaves, mint leaves, half lemon juice and oil and 500 grams of cooked rice. Let us start marinating the fish pieces. We are going to put in all these ingredients together. After that, half juice of a lemon. Now let us start mixing all the ingredients properly into the fish. Let us give it a mix, and now let us keep the marinated fish pieces for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let us start frying it into the pan. Let us heat oil. When the oil is heated, start putting one by one fish pieces into it and let it fry. After 2 to 3 minutes, let us start flipping the fish pieces one by one. See to it that all the fish pieces are cooked and fried very well from both the sides. Fish pieces are fried and ready. Now let us start preparing the masala that we need for the biryani. Start adding in thinly sliced onions, give it a mix. Let the onions become soft enough. Keep mixing it very well. Let us cover it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the onions have become soft. Now we are going to add in the onion, ginger, garlic and green chili paste into it. Let us saute it very well on low flame and let it cook. Let the raw smell go. Let us also add in salt, which will help the onion to cook faster. Let us keep mixing it. We shall cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let us add in chopped tomato into the pan. Let it fry for a while, for 1 to 2 minutes. Saute it very well. Now we are going to add in the tomato paste that we had prepared earlier. We shall mix it very well enough for it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Let us now cover it and let it cook. Now we can see that the tomatoes and the onions have cooked really well. We are going to add in the spices one by one. We have turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Also add in salt if required. Let us give it all a mix. We shall mix it thoroughly. Let the raw smell of the spices go. We are going to add a small cup of water into it. Let the gravy become thick enough. Let us mix it and allow it to cook. The gravy is about to become thick. Give it a mix and let everything cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. And now our gravy is ready. We will garnish it with coriander leaves. The masala is ready and done. Let us also add in some mint leaves into the masala. Let us garnish it with mint leaves to give it a nice flavor. We shall mix everything well. Our biryani masala or the gravy is ready and done. Now is the final step, that is layering of the biryani. In a pot or a pan, let us first brush it with oil. We will spread it evenly on all the sides. This is the bottom part, so we are going to spread all the gravy evenly, equally. Now we are going to add in the cooked rice. Rice was cooked with whole spices added into it, and also salt was added. Some cumin seeds were added in the rice too. Rice should be 70% cooked. Let us put half of the rice over it. Let us spread it evenly, properly. You can see the whole spices. The next step is to sprinkle some fried onions on top of the rice. Now we are going to add in some coriander leaves too. It looks so nice, so beautiful and colorful, so appetizing too. Now also we are going to put some food color, and our first layer of the biryani is ready. Now we are going to place the second layer. We are going to put in some other masala, the gravy which is remaining, spread it evenly, and now we are going to place the fish pieces, fried salmon pieces, rawas pieces, equally, evenly on the gravy. On top of it, we are going to put in the remaining rice. Spread it equally, evenly. This is a final layer. Again, we are going to put in some fried onions on top. We are going to repeat the process again. On top of it, let us put in some coriander leaves and mint leaves if you want. And last is the food color. Now we are going to cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Fish biryani is ready and done. Please do try out the recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.